Dictation number 7. 5 seconds. Ready. Start. The appeal is directed against the decision of the Special Court under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act in NDPS case number 29 of 2006. Stop. The appellant who was accused number 1 before the Special Court has been convicted under section 21 of the NDPS Act. Stop. He has been sentenced to suffer rigorous imprisonment for 14 years and to pay a fine of rupees 1,50,000, and in default of such payment of fine to suffer rigorous imprisonment for further period of 6 months. The case of the prosecution in brief is that on obtaining specific information from a source regarding the appellant being in possession of narcotics, a group of officers and staff of the Narcotics Control Bureau, Eastern Zone Unit, Kolkata, reached Lalgola, Marwari Potti. Stop. The informer identified the appellant who was then intercepted by the officers outside. Stop. The appellant was carrying a multicolored nylon bag in his right hand. Stop. The officers encircled him and disclosed their identity. Stop. The multicolored nylon bag was then searched by the officers as they had specific information that the narcotic substance would be carried in a bag by the appellant. A sample of the contents of the bag was tested on the spot and it was found that the brown color powder which was in the bag was heroin. Stop. The search resulted in a seizure of 2 kilograms of heroin from the appellant. Stop para. According to the prosecution, 2 independent witnesses were present when the seizure took place. Stop. 2 polythene packets containing 5 grams each of the substance recovered were sealed and labeled and signed by the owner of the goods, the seizing officer and independent witnesses. Stop. These packets were then kept in a separate cloth envelope which was also sealed and labeled and signed again by all these persons. Stop. The remaining quantity of the heroin recovered and the used nylon bag were sealed and labeled and signed by all the aforesaid persons. Stop. A copy of the seizure report was furnished to the appellant. Stop. It is the case of the prosecution that the appellant was immediately served a notice under section 67 of the Narcotic Drugs of Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. Appellant would wait at Marwari Potti, Lalgola on 27th August 2006 at about 12:30 pm with a large quantity of heroin. Stop. This information was recorded by PW2 in his own writing and sent to the Zonal Director NCB Kolkata. Stop. He has spoken about PW3 having weighed the substance which was seized and preparing a seizure list. Stop. The PW2 has claimed that he has present at the time of search and seizure. Stop. According to him, the appellant accompanied them to the Kolkata office of the NCB where he made a statement under section 67. of the NDPS Act. Stop. The witness has conceded that he was present when the appellant's statement was recorded by S.D. Sinha, who has been examined as PW6. Stop. The witnesses has denied the suggestion of the defense that the statement was substanced by coercion. Stop. He has also denied the suggestion that the appellant did not know Bengali, despite which the confessional statement has been recorded in Bengali. Stop.